Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We already have a mobile, we call it uh, ADUI, Application Dictionary User Interface, from the IDMPR metadata concept, where you will access JSON from metadata. Let me put some concept of, okay, we will say it's in the JSON format, and is in the metadata service. Now I want to deploy, of course, some people do not have the metadata service yet. They do not have the ERP server side yet. So I'm going to ask it in lieu of that to go to a local data. So how will I use Claude AI to do that? Now that the AWE mobile is working fine, reading the JSON from a metadata server, I like it to switch to a local phone, stored JSON where the data metadata server is accessible. Please discuss the strategy without generating any artifacts yet. Can the phone download the JSON and store in file section, and then the mobile app picks it up? What are the other feasible, practical suggestions you have? I'm talking to an AI. Okay, let's see. What can you say? Thinking about strategy, okay, it's taking from DeepSeek this idea. Do you say something about strategy for that? Let me search a project knowledge first. Yes, I got project knowledge. Let me show it to you. Okay, we have project knowledge where we stored the guide, the code, the metadata, the JSON, the roadmap, and the user manual, because every time it does something, I ask it to produce an artifact, so they still contain in memory, at least like a RAG in effect. And let's see, I can see you already have a solid foundation for offline capabilities. Let me discuss the strategy option. Your RDE already has served key component in place. Metadata adapter, yes, I remember that. Caching system, we are 5 minutes. Yes, it cache. Mock data provider as fallback, yeah, but not really working. Just want to see Watermelon DB foundation ready for offline sync. Okay, strategy option for offline. Okay, third tiered fallback strategy. Number one, you'll try the metadata server. Number two, you'll fall back to the JSON. Okay, you will fall back to a mock data provider. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, option two. Why is this option two? Enhanced provider fallback. Local file storage via export files to download and store JSON directly in the apps document directory. Pros, native file can work with file apps on JSON. Easy manual. Con, require user interaction for file management. Platform specific file picker. Security concern. Enhanced Watermelon DB. And then release for structure, advantage, robust offline, excellent sync abilities, built-in consideration, more complex, overkill for simple better suited for form, recommended implementation, smart caching, extend your existing caching, current 5-minute memory cache, memory sync with longer TTL, fallback, so last successful JSON fetch permanently. I don't understand. Phase 2 proactive download. This is getting too complicated. I just want a simple way. So what do I do? What do I do? Let me pause and let me think for a while. Okay, I'm back. If you read on, it talks about low risk, zero UI changes, backwards compatible, progressive enhancement. There's always tempered between fear and hope. Fear because we really have lots of conflict and crashes while developing this type of software. Hope because AI sometimes make things, everything, all the problems go away. So now, I forgot to tell something, so I'm going to say it here. I forgot to say why I am doing this. I just want to deploy this app quickly for friends, for users, and thus it may be a hassle to get a meta data service ready on the cloud or LAN. I just want them to have it offline on their phone, and then they can reload with other JSONs we provide to prove the concept, and show the share some yeah, it's called submit capability. Okay, let's see what it says. I will get back to you once it's gone through everything. Okay, it's back very quickly. You say, that changes everything. Really? That's what you want to hear. I suspect that all these lines are being programmed into the AI to sound nice. The actual, okay, you want quick dev deployment for demos and proof of concept. No server setup hassle, just download app and it works immediately. Optical, bundle JSON, transfer your app with bundle templates. Okay. Equipment inspection template, site server, asset verification, quickly control. Okay. All right. JSON import via share file, demo enhancement. Allow users to load new JSON, share sheet, open the ADWI, QR code containing JSON URL, simple file picker import from email attachment. Submit. Okay, it may forget what I mean by submit. What did I say? And show the submit capability, submit demo, proof concept, version, large SQL, in export to email as JSON, share computer form attachment, visual success, submitted confirmation. 1 to 2 hours. Bundle template provide load from app asset, bundle 3-4 sample JSON with different field type, default to bundle mode, add load new template button. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna I don't want the fear factor where the code becomes all jumbled up and troubleshooting will take a long time. Template switcher UI to show different forms. Yep, successive. Will that defeat? Okay, polish 1 hour sample data pre-filling for quicker. Okay, I have to think about this. See, this is the thing about AI. It thinks faster than you. You got to stop it. How many sample templates should be bundled? I suggest 3 or 4. Okay, it's doing the thing in submit behavior. It's not to the extent where it can do things in the sandbox and show you something there. You still have to work at it. It's like a magic genie who says that, okay, I'll help you to get the princess, but here's what you got to do. You listen here carefully. That's the issue. Let me stop here to think and have a drink.